Hello friends, it's nailsbyrey and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Today we are going to be trying out some new Born Pretty Ice Jelly Pink Gel Polish colors. Thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending this over. Let's get into the products that they sent. So first, they sent over base and top coat. And if you're dealing with gel polish colors, you're going to need some base gel and top gel. So thank you so much for sending these over. Next, we're getting into the meat and potatoes of this video, and these are the 6 gel polish colors that they sent. These are some ice jelly shades and they're all pink. They sent 6 bottles of this. And the links to all these products will be linked below in my description. And if you use my code nailsbyrey on the Born Pretty official website, you'll get 10% off your order.
All of the things I need living inside of me, I can see it, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can't see, I'm blind. Calm down, sugar be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom.
So now it's time to swatch the colors. I'm going to start off with these really long nail tips that I never use, but I decided to whip them out for this video because I cannot find my swatch sticks to save my life. But we are going to start off with some layer of base coat, and this nail stand only has 5 spots for 5 nails, so I added a little extra one for the 6th color. I'm going to apply some base coat and cure that under my nail lamp for 30 seconds.
Living inside of me, I can see it, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can't see, I'm blind.
Gel polish shade number 1 is this glittery color right here. I'm going to do 3 coats of this so you can see how the pigment builds up after each coat.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you could sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga.
Gel polish shade number 2 is this nice light pink jelly shade.
You ride with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. So much to live for, too, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Too lit for this shit right now. Too busy for this shit right now.
Gel polish number 3 is this elegant coral shade. Gel polish number 4 is this pale coral shade.
Yo solo te miré y tú me entendiste. Cuando las ganas insisten, no se pueden aguantar. Baby, ya estamos solos, nadie molesta. Como me miran tus ojos, la voy a cara revienta. Baby, hoy te voy a chingar, en la vida vas a brincarme. Siempre me vas a amar, yo soy el dueño de toda tu parte. Hoy te voy a chingar, voy a hacer que nunca puedas olvidarme. Tú y yo nos vamos a matar, hasta que te vengan no voy a quitarme. Sale sería, te quedo divina. Y vamos pa'l parque y nos quedamos en la cocina. Baby, la cuenta de todas las pedidas, pedí una como la primera en la piscina. Qué suerte, que soy yo el que puede comerme. ¿Qué hice para merecerte? Cada día que pasa lo que siento es muy fuerte. Solo quiero verte para verme solo. No puede saberse. Siempre que te vas a sacar tu retorno, nos vamos a pegar si sacamos la porno. Y ya estamos solas, nadie molesta. Como me miras,
Gel polish number 5 is this cherry blush shade.
baby, hoy te voy a chingar, en la vida vas a brincarme. Siempre me vas a amar, que soy el dueño de toda tu parte. Hoy te voy a chingar, voy a hacer que nunca puedas olvidarme. Tú y yo nos vamos a matar, hasta que te vengan no voy a quitarme. Qué rico tener que desnudarte. No tengo que hacer mucho para calentarte. Yo solo te miré y tú me entendiste. Cuando las ganas insisten, no se pueden aguantar. Baby, ya estamos solos, nadie molesta. Como me miran tus ojos, la voy a cara revienta.
I took that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch.
Gel polish number 6 is this sweet raspberry shade.
Long as you joking that way for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skinny, fluid, I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't without you. When I'm with you, I can just not falling on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. Yeah.
It ain't no fear in you. I ain't too scared to shoot. But I got a man at home. And we like family too. But I got needs.
So now that I've swatched all 6 shades, I am going to top coat the nails and cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds.
Don't wanna lose all that I have. You could be amused and help me catch, but I just need you to come break my back. If you wanna attack it, it's just that. That's just life. I'ma be real, you just my type. I got a man, but he hate.
Alrighty, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you to Born Pretty for sending these over. Be sure to check out my description for my code and also the link to this product. I hope you guys loved how these nails look after I swatched the shades, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads from my channel, and I will see you in the next video.